These young people talk to each other all the time. So they're either the young people that are within the accountancy firms, the lawyers, the banks, and they're doing the processing, they're doing all the hard work, and they never get to meet each other. As they become junior partners themselves, business will become a lot easier.
I've met lawyers, people from corporate finance, bankers, and more accountants, which is absolutely brilliant. I was actually joking with some of them that all those people are the people that actually make up a transaction, so it's brilliant.
I got a different perspective about networking.
It's the best way to get yourself noticed within your own firm. If you're someone who's seen to be proactive in trying to bring in new clients, then partners and the senior people in your firm tend to notice you a bit more.
I'm a lawyer, and I thought until recently it wasn't important, because I thought it was for agents and surveyors and so on, but then I realised that that's where we got our work from, agents and surveyors and so on, and that's who we refer people to if they need help, so actually it's key to everything.
You can be as qualified as you like, but if you haven't met people that you can do business with, then it's sort of worth nothing really.
It's good to start early, because the guys that I'm talking to now will one day be higher up in the bank or the law firm, and they'll be the guys that will be able to give me the work when hopefully I'm a partner.
It's quite a difficult thing to get into at quite a low level, because you go to so many events where you're surrounded by senior people, so it's difficult to learn just the basic skills to how to break in, build networks of people at your own level. So I think that's why a young person's event, this kind of thing, is quite a good start, because everyone's in the same kind of boat, everyone's a bit nervous, no one really likes doing it.
And you know you're going to be talking to people who are going to be on the same level and are actually interested in meeting you, which is good. Yeah.
It was what you said today about it being not about selling, and you mentioned something about lots of partners saying, what business did you get from a networking event? And that rang really true, because people do say that, and you're right, it's not about that, it's about meeting people.
From my whole experience throughout my career, networking is invaluable to developing not only the business I work in, but other people's business.
Well, as somebody who has to bring in business to the firm, one of the things I teach all my partners to do is they spend 50% of their time doing business development work now. And you don't do that, it's not being a practitioner, it's building relationships, getting referral relationships, and you can only do that through networking. You can't do that sat at your desk, so you need to learn these skills.
One of those things that you assume everyone else is so much more confident at it than you are, so you're kind of like, well, I'm the shy one, I don't want to be doing it, and everyone else is loving every second. But it turns out that actually most people aren't that comfortable with it initially.
I thought it was fantastic actually, because I feel that there aren't enough things for young people who are just starting out in their careers to get together and do. I've always found that whenever I attend events, people are a lot older, more qualified than me, and it's really nice to get together with people who are my own age and my own level.
It's been brilliant, and it's been quite interesting. The networking after your presentation as opposed to before is so much easier. All the women were networking in the toilets, in the corridor, at the bar, whereas before we were clumping together a bit, so it's made a big difference already.
It's been very interesting. I particularly enjoyed the speaker and the tips and hints on networking.
Come along, you'll definitely learn something, and you certainly meet new people.
Get out there and do it. Definitely attend.
Take it up, it's an opportunity. You've got nothing to lose, just give it a go. I mean, if you go and you find you don't meet anyone useful, I'd be very surprised.
Be brave and go for it.
Make the time to network, because it is essential.
I'm exhilarated and excited. I am. I just thoroughly enjoyed seeing the feedback you were getting during the sessions and the buzz that's still in the room now.